Let's take a look at the countries that have taken action against TikTok. Top of the list, of course, is India, which banned TikTok on June 29th, along with several other apps, Chinese apps as well. The United States at this point, we're still maintaining, is considering a ban. In 24 hours, we're expecting an executive order on that front. It's not just US. Japan is also mulling a ban at this point. In fact, you've had the Japanese leadership time and again speaking out over privacy concerns. Similarly, Australia too is considering a ban at this point, but no steps really taken in that front. Interestingly, Pakistan also is mulling a ban on TikTok. It's a Chinese video sharing app, but in Pakistan there's been a lot of outrage over TikTok, saying that there is obscene content that's shared on the app. So these are some of the countries where TikTok has been in the eye of a storm. India has bitten the bullet of banning the app, and we'll have to see which other countries now follow suit. So those are in fact the countries in which TikTok has, there is action that is likely to be taken against the Chinese video sharing app. Pawan Duggal, cyber expert, is joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Duggal, you're now seeing the United States all set to ban TikTok. Do you see more and more countries doing this? Because there have been a lot of questions over TikTok not being safe for users.
I believe what India started has been the beginning of a trickle process. And it's likely to see more and more countries increasingly reevaluating the impact of these Chinese apps on their own data sovereignty, on the way their national data is being taken outside the territorial boundaries, and how the said data could potentially be used against their national interests. So what India has done, the US is now planning to do. I expect more countries also to do. This is all an age of the data economy, and I think increasingly state actors are getting more aware of the importance of preserving and reiterating their data sovereignty in the context of stuff.
Mr. Duggal, how do you see any sort of damage control by TikTok? What kind of steps can TikTok take to assure countries that the app is safe now?
I think TikTok has to come very clean. It has to come clean vis-a-vis ownership, vis-a-vis its relationship with the governmental agencies in China. But even there's an intense problem, because under the National Cybersecurity Act, with effect from 2017, now ultimately across the world want to get more satisfied is that the data of their citizens or their national territorial boundaries is not accessed by Chinese authorities. But that's an intrinsic contradiction, because under the law, the Chinese authorities will still be able to have it. So that's the reason why countries are saying, let me first try to look at more ways of banning it, or try to make them more accountable and more transparent.
All right, Mr. Pawan Duggal, thank you for joining us with your expert view on this big story. The United States could ban TikTok in the next 24 hours. We're expecting that Donald Trump will sign an executive order to this effect.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.